Hi, sweetie. Can you see me? Hi, my love. Yeah, I can see you now. Okay, we're going to do the reading book, okay? Okay, let's go down to page 24. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's go down. Okay, reading comprehension. So here's a reading comprehension where we will read a piece and we will look at the answers and find the answers. That's just the sample one, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Parent-teacher conference. Let's read here. On Thursday,
On Thursday, September 22, we are going to
September 22nd.
September 22nd, we are going to have a day where parents can come and meet their children's teacher. There will be
Several
meetings and events throughout the day. I hope you can make it some or all of them. Thank you very much.
Principal Edward Schinner. So there's a timetable. You see the time, the activity, activity type, and the leader or the teacher for that meeting. Okay. Let's read the note.
Yeah.
All parents
Must send note to school with their children saying if they are going to come. We need to know how many meetings to
schedule.
schedule
Yes.
and how much food to make.
Yes.
We could like our parents to we will read this word.
Participate in the final activity.
Participate in the final activities. So make sure to wear comfortable clothing.
Comfortable clothing. That means not a dress or high heels. You have to be comfortable or in a tracksuit where you can do lots of different things. Participate, you have to do it with them. The word participate means you have to also come and do it with us. So you have to be comfortable. You mustn't wear like tight clothes or high heels. You have to be very comfortable. Okay, now we're going to look at part 3, the questions, okay? Let me clear that for you. Okay. Just see if I put them next to each other, if they will be next to each other. Okay, no, that's the other one. Hang on, let me just see if that will change it. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. They're next to each other. Okay, let's have a look at question 1. Who will lead the English meetings? Now you have to go look at the timetable. You have to find the English one. Can you see the English one?
The English is here.
Yes, there's the English. Let me just find, there's the English one. Now, who will lead the English one?
Is Mr.
Crow. Crow, yes. So do you see how to look? You have to find the subject and then next to it find the teacher. So what's number 1's answer? A, B, C, or D?
Is letter B.
E, yes. Can you see it or must I make it a little bit bigger?
Yes, I can.
You can see it. Okay, B. B is the answer. Okay, question number 2. Which of the following is not mentioned in the announcement? Mention means to talk, to say. What did they not say in the announcement?
Did
Did they talk about the English activity? Did they talk about athletics? They talk about parent meetings and after school science fair.
It has parent meetings.
Parents meetings, yes. There's several meetings that they are going to talk about throughout the day. They're talking about English. They're talking about athletics, after school programs, which is the after school fair, but not the meetings. It's a type of meetings. It's not the announcement. Okay. Number 3. Who is leading the last event of the day? The last event. Who's the leading teacher?
The last event is after school programs.
Yes, so they're asking who's leading that event. Who's talking about that event?
It's Mr. Mago.
Yes, number C. Mago. What do the parents need to have for the final activity? Remember you said there you want to let them all participate. Everybody must join in, participate. What must they wear or bring?
Comfortable clothes.
Yes, so what number? A, B, or C, or D?
Is number C.
Yes, wear comfortable clothes. They don't have to bring any food. Okay, let's go and have a look at the next one. Okay, here we have to read this one. Questions 5 to 10 will be on the following article. Okay, let's read here. If I must make it bigger, you must tell me, okay? You want it bigger?
It's okay.
Let's see how big we can go. There we go, that's better. Okay, let's read here.
Last weekend, the 7th grade went to New York City and watched the Phantom of the Opera on Broadway. It was our school's first ever trip to Broadway and was a really fun time. The music was very well done. The actors were talented
singers.
Very good dancers. The set itself was artistic.
Yes, artistic.
Artistic and amazing.
Good.
At Broadway, musical was a very unique experience. We had really good seats in the theater, so we could see everything perfectly. Plus, our seats were really comfortable.
Good.
After music was over, we went to eat pizza. New York pizza is very famous and it was delicious. The restaurant was really busy. We had to wait a long time to sit down and eat. While we were waiting, we went outside to Central Park. There was a group of acrobats putting on a show for everyone to watch.
Good.
The jumped and fleet so high and fast is what almost impressive as what the Phantom of the Opera.
As watching jumps and flips and watching the Phantom of the Opera.
Phantom of the Opera.
Good.
After we had pizza, we went to our hotel and had an awesome night together as a class. We play games in a hotel recreation room. Recreation room. It was so much fun going to New York, and we are sad that our trip had to end. Next year, the sixth grade will be going to New York to see Broadway show. We hope they get to see the Phantom of Opera, but we are sure any show they watch will be great.
Excellent. Let me move us down. Up here. Under the picture. Okay. Okay, number 5. What would be the best title for the article?
The seventh grade go to New York.
Okay. The 7th grade goes to New York. Okay, good. Let me mark it for you. There we go. Number 6. What is suggested about the Phantom of the Opera?
Is what in a New York Opera House?
Yes, good. How to watch any seats? No, it was okay, good. Number 7. In line 4, now you have to go look for line 4. The word talented is closest in meaning to. Closest in meaning. What does the word talented mean? It's close to which word? So that closest to which word means the synonym, the same meaning. Which word has the same meaning as talented? The actors were talented singers and very good dancers. What does talented mean? Quiet, illegal, gifted, or doubtful?
But I'm not understanding. Yes, 3 work here.
Okay, illegal means it's not part of the rules. It's not part of the law, like what the police and the lawyers say. Now, say, for example, you are 15 years old and you are driving a car. That's illegal because you have to be 18 to drive a car. So illegal means it's not part of the rules. You're breaking the rules, okay? Gifted. Gifted means you are really good. You are a gifted singer. You are really good at singing. You are great. You are amazing. Doubtful. Doubtful is wonder. So you say, teacher, it's raining here today, but I am in the next building and it's very hot in my building. So I'm doubtful that it's raining on your side because we're on the same area and it's very hot. Doubtful is wondering. I don't think it's true. It's doubtful. I don't think it's true. So he's saying the actors were talented singers. Is it illegal, gifted, doubtful? Is he wondering if they're good or bad? Are they breaking any rules? Or are they amazing? Are they very good?
I think let us see.
Yes, it is. Gifted is talented. You are good. You are amazing. Do you understand the other words? Illegal and doubtful? Yes. Okay, good. Number 8, in line 12, the word impresses is closest in meaning to. Impressive. Let's go to line 12. Okay. They jumped and flipped so high and fast. It was almost as impressive as watching the Phantom of the Opera. Funny, boring, exciting, or uninteresting?
If that's exciting.
Yes, impressive. It's exciting. Very good. Number C. Let's mark number C for you. Good. In line 16, the word they refers to. I hope they get to see the Phantom of the Opera, but we are sure any show they watch will be great. Next year, okay, you just read the sentence before that. Who are they talking about? You see the word they?
Next year, the sixth grade will be going to New York to see Broadway, so we hope they get to see the Phantom of Opera, but we are sure any show they watch will be great. I think is the sixth grade.
Yes, the sixth graders. They are referring to them. Okay, according to the article, what will the sixth grade students do next year?
I think is they will go to the New York Opera House.
What about they will go to a show in New York? They will go because they're going to the Broadway show. So they will go to a show. We don't know if it's the Phantom of the Opera because they said here, we hope they get to see it. So they will be going to New York to see a Broadway show. They will go to a show in New York. They will go to the Opera House. Okay, Opera House. Because if we just say show, it can be any show. It can be a boat show in the harbor. It can be a circus show in the circus tent. So number C is right. They will go to the New York Opera House to watch a show in the Opera House. Very good. Okay, let's go to our next page. You must tell me if you don't understand something, okay? Let's see the picture. Okay, there's the picture, the boat and the two whales. Okay, let me put us there. Okay, so here, question 11 to 18, we have to read to answer question 11 to 18. Let's answer here.
Okay.
Do you know the word? Narwhals. It's a kind of whale.
Narwhals. Oh, narwhals are kind of whale that not many people have even seen. That's because they live in the coldest water on Earth, the Arctic Ocean.
Yes.
This sea water is so cold that much of it has turned into ice. Nowhere is fish that live on the ocean floor and can dive
1,500 meters.
1,500 meters
Yes.
to find their prey. It's very cold down there, but the Norse body is built to withstand
Extremely.
I don't know how to read this word.
Extremely. Extremely is very, very cold. Extremely.
Extremely cold temperatures. Narwhals are smaller than other whales, but they are still large. They can weigh up to, still large. They can weigh up to 1,600 kilograms and are 4 to 5 meters long. They are usually white and black colored. As they get older, their skin gets lighter. Narwhal has something very special. Each narwhal has a stalk and brown
a tusk. A tusk.
Tusk.
Task.
Task. That grows straight out into a spear.
Do you know what a task is? Let me show you here. Sorry to interrupt you. Look here. You can take mine. That there. That's the task. So they have a task. And what grows out of it is a spear. So that's actually maybe to catch fish. Then they poke them. It's like a fishing rod. That's a task.
Yes.
Okay.
Each stalk can be over 3 meters long. These long, sharp tusks make the novel look much longer than it is. Novel have been used as food by people for a long time. For native people in the far north call it Inuits,
Yes.
they are a good source of fat during the cold winters. Inuit people used to hunt them with spears from small boats. Now they have a different way of hunting them. Many use modern motorboats to chase them and
Rifles.
rifles to kill them. When a noose is caught, the entire whale, including its toes, is used. The novel toes is very valuable,
Valuable
valuable,
possession.
valuable possession.
Good. Let's have a look at number 11. What is the main topic of the passage?
Is letter D.
Yes.
The novel well in the Arctic Ocean.
According to the passage, what do narwhal whales eat?
Animals that live on the bottom of the sea.
Okay, number 13 in line 2. The word it refers to. This sea water is so cold that much of it has turned into ice.
Is the cold?
No. It. The sea water is so cold that much of it has turned into ice.
The sea water.
Yes, the sea water. The sea water. In line 11, the word native is closest in meaning to native. For native people in the far north.
Is that local?
Yes, it's local, people living there. What do narwhals not look like?
Dolphin with long snout like tails.
Yes. Number 16. Why are Inuits mentioned in the passage?
To show who used the word as food.
Yes. In line 14, the word chase is closest to chase something.
To cheat.
Chase. Motorboats to chase them.
It to follow.
Yes, it's to follow. What can be inferred about the narwhal's tusk? Oh, wait, let me see if there's another one. Oh, there's another one. There we go.
It has special powers.
Not really. It's a very valuable possession. I'm going to see something for you here. Look there. Look at the last line. The narwhal tusk is a very valuable possession. What do you think that means?
It is worth a lot of money.
Yes, it is worth a lot of money, but it's very valuable. Let me just see this one. Okay, so it's number, I'll just mark it for you. It's worth a lot of money. That's why the people keep that, because it's worth a lot of money and they use it as well. They use it again to catch other things. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to do the main idea question. What is it, the main idea? The main idea is what is the best title for the story? What would be the best suitable headline for the article? Or to summarize, if we read something like now, we have to think, what are we reading about? What is the main thing they are talking about? And then we're going to answer questions. Okay, here. Let's have a look here. Let's just go up here. Okay, what is that? Okay, let's read this one. Let me move us. Okay, let's read this part here. If I can
Okay.
show you both. There we go. Okay, last Friday,
the 8th grade classes from West Hill Middle School and East Hill Middle School buried
yes,
attempts capsules in a city park. Each student wrote a letter describing what they think the future will be like. All the letters were placed into the time capsules
capsule
and buried.
and buried.
Capsules and buried.
Buried means if
Each time
you put it underneath the ground, you bury it so nobody can see it or find it. It's like buried, you bury treasure in the sand, in the ground. Do you understand the word?
yes,
Okay. Each
each
child
child could also add an item of personal importance to time capsule if they choose to. Many included drawings, CDs, photographs, and even clothing items. The time capsule was a 2-foot by 2-foot plastic box. It was built to last for a long time. Mr. Dysop, an engineer who lived in West Hill, volunteered to design and build a capsule. Mr. Dysop was asked to include his own letter about the future. The city mayor joins the school principals to make a speech about future of our city children. Afterward, The mayor explained that time capsule will stay buried for next 25 years. 25 years from now, the city will host a host a winning event. At the
The city
event,
will
the
host a
audit
reunion. The city will host a reunion event. Reunion means together after a long time again. A reunion, when you see lots of people, like a family reunion for Tet holiday. So you haven't seen each other for a long time, and then you have this reunion where you see everybody again.
we will host a reunion event. At the event, the older children and their families will
Unbury.
unbury the captures and read their letter to see if they were right about the future. You, a student from West Hill, said, I predict that school won't use printed book. Instead, they will use computer. I can't wait to see if it comes true.
True, that's very, very interesting. Okay. What do you think a suitable headline will be for the article?
Mm, student borrowed time capsule.
Yes, number 8. Very good. Okay, let's go down to this one. Okay, read for a conclusion. A conclusion is a final 2 or 3 sentences that summarizes a passage. Find the key ideas shared by the topic sentence in the conclusion. So a conclusion means when you went to a show, what did the people think about the trip? What is the conclusion about the trip? Okay, let's read here. Let me move
Okay.
on.
Dear Aunt Ellen, how have you been? I know we have not talked in a long time, but I want to invite you to my school award ceremony. It, it will be held on June 21st at 6 p.m. in our school gym. I know you know where it is since you went to St. Mary's School yourself. If you are wondering, I will be getting an award for having excellent
Great.
grades. I am also being awarded for winning the school science fair. Please email me back telling if you are going to come to the ceremony because mom needs to buy ticket. It would be great to see you there. Bye for now, Aunt Ellen. Cindy.
Good. What is this email mainly about?
Um, an invitation to an award ceremony.
Yes, an invitation to the award ceremony. Okay. Let's mark it for us. Let's now move us this way. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that's an invitation. Okay, so here example question. So passage and answer the question. Okay, let's read this passage. Board games.
Okay. Board games have been a popular way to pass time for all record history. Today, the most well-known board game is chess. The game is played on a chessboard, a two-color 64 square grid. Each player starts with 16 pieces. 16 pieces. The goal of the game is take the other player's king piece. They happen when the king attacked by the other player's piece. If there is no way to stop the king from being taken, the king is in checkmate and the game is finished. Chess is based on an old Indian game but is what chess player a chess by Europeans in 15th century into the games we know and love today. Over there, players have created many
Strategy.
strategies to help them defeat their opponents. Now, computers are being used to make chess playing programs. The best player in the world practice against the computer to improve their skill and test their abilities. However, the programs have become so good that computers are starting to beat world champion chess players.
Good. What is this passage mainly about?
The board game chess.
The board game chess. Okay. So do you understand to find the main idea? Do you understand the how to find the main idea? What it's only one idea, what it is about. So there can be an introduction, there can be a conclusion, but the main idea is what it is about. So you're quite fine with that. You can read it and it's about chess. Chess computer programs, how to defeat components in chess. The board game chess. Yes, this is about that one. Okay, let's just clear here. Let's just see here. Okay. Practice this. Question one is about the following email. Okay. This is also about the main idea. What would the best title? Now, this is a title. Then you have your main idea, and then you have your links. Let me just go up here. I just want to see something quickly. Okay. Do you know how to find keywords? Do you know what keywords are? Keywords. Yes. Keywords are in a topic sentence. So it's like events or names or places where people go, like the important bits. That's keywords. Like they went to Broadway. They went to watch the Phantom of the Opera. They went to eat pizza. Those are the keywords. But the story is about the school trip. But then in the story, we find keywords. Do you understand the idea of keywords, what it is?
Yes.
Yes, like she wrote an email to this aunt about her school, but it's not the title. It's not what it's about. It's keywords, all the important bits of it. Okay. So, sweetie, you did very good. We're going to stop here, and Zoom wants to stop. If you just see which page we finished at, page 29. Okay. Page 29. Okay, sweetie, you did great. It was very nice to see you. We did 40 minutes today, and I will send it to your teacher, okay? You did a very good job today. Well done. It was nice to see you, though. Bye, sweetie.
See you again.
I'll see you again. Bye, my love.